Hi there. In this video, I'm gonna show you my current client's campaign performance. She is a lawyer from North Carolina. I'm in the USA. So look at that. It's the Google Ads account dashboard, and in this account, I have managed the next approximately next 10 days. Okay, and in this account I have managed two campaigns. Look at that, both are enabled, but for security purpose it blur. Okay, and I want to show you the yesterday data, yesterday performance. Yesterday was 15 May 2025. Okay, so look at that. Here is full conversion. We got full conversion. Yesterday we got full conversion, and the cost per conversion was 24.24 bucks. Okay, so if I'm gonna click on the conversion and then go to the conversion label and then click on the phone call leads, look at that. Here is phone call leads. Then look at that. Yesterday we got 3 phone calls. Okay, through both campaign, and that's the thing actually. So in this video I'm gonna show you the another thing is the call duration. Okay, so show you call duration. To show you the call duration, I have to go the insight and reports, and then click on the report and report editor, and then as you can see here the call details. So now if I'm gonna click on the call details, then as you can see here the call duration. So if I'm gonna click on this and high to low, I mean the filter, then look at that. The call duration, first call duration was it's on 15 May 2025. Okay, look at that. Yesterday was 15 May 2025. The first call duration was 1169 seconds, and the second call duration was 1027 seconds, and the third call duration was 123 seconds. That's the thing actually. So if you need to set up or optimize or managing your Google Ads campaign for your law firm, you can be a family lawyer, you can be an immigration lawyer, you can be a business lawyer, you can be a criminal defense lawyer or something like that, then I can help you to get this type of call, this type of leads through Google Ads campaign from your target location. Thank you so much.